Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have Roblox running, Blox Fruits loaded, and enough currency or items to trade. Once ready, open the island map and locate the Paint Skin NPC or Current Skin event banner. These spawn at specific islands. You should join a populated server so rotations and NPC spawns occur faster, or create a private match to control spawn timing. Make sure to equip gear that speeds movement. This reduces time between objectives and increases your chance to reach spawns first. Once you've found the spawn routes, you farm systematically. Monitor NPC timers every 5 to 10 minutes and prioritize islands with active events. Use your fastest movement skills, a speed pet, or a mount to cover ground quickly. This is why mobility matters. While moving, defeat required bosses or mobs that drop the crafting parts or tokens for the paint skin, and gather coins for buyable skins. If trading is involved, set up quick trade offers. Staying efficient in kills and looting shortens the grind dramatically. To finish, return to the NPC or open the in-game shop and redeem the paint skin once you meet requirements. Make sure you have free inventory slots. After claiming, equip the skin in your customization menu and inspect it in third person. If the skin doesn't appear, rejoin the server or restart the client to force sync, since visibility bugs are usually session-related. If problems persist, clear temporary cache or switch to a different server. These steps resolve most spawn and equip synchronization issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.